Which are the best web hosting services for WordPress? Vinny says, best web hosting services that are recommended by WordPress is SiteGround, Bluehost and DreamHost. SiteGround, newest design, newest tech, easy to set up, recommended by WordPress. Best performance tools, cheap plan which include premium features and daily backup. Reliable, phone support, free plug-in SG Optimizer. Bluehost, cheap plans. Reliable, plenty of features, lots of tools, recommended by WordPress. DreamHost, cheap, reliable, good track record, 100% uptime guarantee, $47 unlimited plan, whole year. To know further about the comparison between the different web hosting companies, read the attached article and decide yourself which one is better for you. Charvi Ranjan says, Cheapa Hosting is one of the most recommended WordPress hosting companies. They are known for their top-notch customer support, reliability, and fast hosting plans. Their WordPress-optimized hosting includes everything you'll need to create and grow a successful website or blog. An amazing speed optimization plugin for WordPress that allows you to configure your caching options, automatically optimize image size, lazy load images or minify your source code, among others. Cheapa Hosting has a flexible system for WordPress and plugin updates that you can rely on. You can decide that plugins are updated as soon as a new version comes out, or you can leave it as a manual process. Advanced WordPress tools that make my life easier. Having the option of creating staging areas, copies of my site I can experiment with, has saved me from pushing wrong coding updates onto my live website. A migration plugin to easily move your WordPress site when you bring your site to Cheapa Hosting for the first time. Safe Zaylan says, having a fast WordPress site is now an important ranking element, thus you should never skimp on your hosting. Because Vultr is one of the most popular with SSD VPS server, cloud server and cloud hosting providers, performance and uptime were unaffected by this. Dedicated IP addresses, installing software with a single click, flexible and versatile dashboard. From any device, you can effortlessly launch new instances using Vultr's unique control panel. On top of that, you'll be able to monitor everything from bandwidth and CPU usage to the current balance due. It is a place to keep things. Rather than cloud hosting, this is a SSD storage facility. Vultr's goal with block storage is to develop scalable storage volumes that can be used with any of their plans. New Jersey's Cloud Center currently provides block storage, which is unavailable at the other 14 data centers. The highly available cluster stores 3 copies of each block storage. In the event of a server failure or any other technical issue, you will always have a backup. For performance and dependability, block storage is the best option out there. The high-speed host controller interface optimized for companies, client systems, and data centers is supported by NVMe Enterprise SSD. High-speed data transfers of up to 1200 MB per second are now possible. It's worth looking into it. Thank you for watching our video on which are the best web hosting services for WordPress.